Hi, I'm Nicholas, co-founder and COO of Osoobe. My role is essentially to speak to a lot of people about our products and services and gather feedback so that we can make them better. I got started in tech at probably the age of 12, and this was purely out of curiosity. I was bored, and I was interested in something that was neat, and so that's how I dived in. I love it now, especially because there's an entire community and ecosystem to foster my growth and development. And I think my experience so far is that uh, tech generally has blossomed into this love and yearning for wanting to learn not even just more about tech but about life. And so my advice for upcoming professionals is really to just dive in. Start with something that seems neat. Learn more about it. Possibly start off with a project of sorts and then run through the entire process and then move into the open source space to gather some more insight from other developers. Thanks.
Hey, we've reached the end of this video and I just have to say thank you so much for watching. I know these videos can get pretty long, but I do hope it was informative, fun, and insightful. If you like this video, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notifications bell in the description below. Once again, thank you for watching. See you in the next video and blessings from the Jamaican Developers team.